They have so much that they want to say to you. This person has gained some type of clarity, and they want to express these thoughts. Whether or not they'll do it is another story, but there's something around their career. Maybe they feel like they are not in the position that they should be in. There's something around stepping down, there's something around not feeling happy, not feeling happy where they are at. And it could be affecting them emotionally. It could be a group of people, or this person may feel like they need to expand elsewhere. They may feel like they need to detach, they need to network, or if they are in a networking type of environment, they don't feel like it's fruitful. So they may feel like, okay, I'm networking, I'm doing all the right things, but I'm not making money. Or there could be a lack of money, there could be a career crisis, is what I'm picking up. And this person may feel very saddened by the state of where their career is at right now. So there's the energy of, I don't feel like I am where I should be. We've got the Venus card, Venus and Libra. So maybe this person feels like they are not where they should be because of the way that they look. So this indicates that someone could be acting quite harshly towards you. Someone could be jealous of you. For some of you, could be feeling, why is this person, why don't they want to come out with me anymore? There's something around this person feeling ashamed of the job that they do, because they feel like where they are at, where they are at now, they should be much further in their career. And they may feel like, I don't want to be around you, because maybe they feel like you are doing better than them, you look better than them, you're going to get more opportunities than them, and it makes them feel sad. So this person may choose to isolate from you, and this person may feel frustrated because they may feel like, I'm investing. Look, we've got sixth house here as well. So this definitely, with my green card, right? So this definitely is an indication about someone not feeling happy in their career. And this is what is causing a certain frustration. This person may not feel desirable as well, because maybe their career consists of them looking a certain way. And to you, they may look fine, but in their head, it's like, no, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to change. This person wants to transform. This person wants to change. This person wants to expand in their career. This person may feel like, I'm not making any money, and they feel like the reason why they're not making any money is because of the way that they look. They may also feel like their mental health is being compromised. There's something around their health and well-being, and them feeling quite, I'm hearing vindictive, or catty towards you, or they are feeling jealous, in regards to you, because they may feel like you're expanding, you're smegzy, you're beautiful, you literally got the whole world in your hands, but they are not where they want to be, unfortunately. There's another energy here now whereby someone feels, it could be the same person, but please take what resonates. Maybe this person may not feel good enough for you, but someone feels like they don't want to let you go. You are their soulmate. Whether or not they'll say it in those words is another, thing. But I feel like this person feels like they're holding on to the past, or you're holding on to the past, or someone's holding on to the past, but someone feels like they need to stop. They need to stop something. I don't want to, but this is strange because this person's holding on. Someone is holding on to the past and not wanting to move forward. Maybe someone may feel like you're holding on to the past, but someone feels like they need to heal, they need to move away from. So this indicates that someone may feel like, I'm falling in love with you. And you see how I'm saying it a bit like, oh my days, like I'm falling in love. Not to say there's anything wrong with you, everything right with you, but this person is someone that doesn't like these types of emotions, and it's like, no. So if this person's been acting distant towards you, it's because they're falling in love, but they feel like they need to heal because there's something tied in with the past. We've got Jupiter. This person doesn't feel good enough. Jupiter represents the husband or the spouse. I've done research. It also indicates the spouse in a female's chart. So this person may feel like, I'm not exciting enough. I'm not independent enough. Maybe this person feels like they're tied up. All their money has to go on. Maybe they've got children from a previous partner. Maybe they've got dependents. So they may feel like, I'm falling in love with you, but I have no right to fall in love with you because I can't offer you anything. There's a frustration here now, right? We've got Taurus, yeah, money again. This person feels as if they can't give you what you deserve. It's best I move. I think I better leave right now. William, before I fall any deeper. Before I fall any deeper, they are falling in love with you, Gemini. They enjoy your conversations. The more they speak to you, the more they see you around the area, the more they communicate with you on the phone, via social media. This person could be attracted to the way someone's mind works. You've already got them. You've literally got them, right? They find you beautiful. They find you smexy. They find you independent. They find you to be everything that they are not, and they feel like they are no good for you. They can't offer you anything. You know, they may feel like, I'm not exciting enough. I'm not independent enough. What if you don't find me smexy? I need to move away. I need to walk away. There's something tied in with the mother. Yeah, something tied in with the mother. You know, this is Cancerian energy. Cancer energy rules the fourth house. There's something tied in with the fourth house. Maybe there's issue with the home. Maybe they've got, you know, to look after the mother. Maybe there's something wrong with the home, or there's an attachment here, and they feel like, I can't leave this situation, and at the same time I feel like I can't let you go. I can love you, but you don't need to know that I love you. But at the same time, I need to protect myself. I need to get away from you. I need to heal. I need to clear my head, because if you find out the truth, then you won't want me anyway, because I ain't got nothing to offer you. But at the same time, I find you to be extremely beautiful. I love our conversations, and I'm not free. That's what it is. This person doesn't feel like they're free. So this person feels like they need to put up their barriers. Let's move on to the other pile. Whoa, wasn't expecting that, guys. I don't know about you. Well, this person, it could be the same person. They're enjoying their independence, right? They feel like they are expanding. They feel free, you know. So we've gone from someone feeling quite trapped and restricted to feeling free. This could be the same energy. I'm going to call you. You know, I want to meet up with you. For some of you, you connected with this person on social media. Spirit wants me to convey that this person likes your profile, and it's a yes from me. So for some of you, you may have a lot of suitors that have tapped. There's a picture that you put up. Maybe you change your hair color. I just feel like it's your whole vibe. It's your whole essence. It's your whole beauty, right? There's many people from different backgrounds that are attracted to you. And if you are on a dating app, I'm not promoting it. This is what's coming through. You have, check your inbox, because there's a lot of people that literally want to meet up with you. There's a dodgy person though, because this individual, not all, there's about 8 people that want to connect with you. 8 or 9 people, we've got 9 here. Sagittarius, which is a temperance card, rules the 9th house. So 8 to 9 people. That 9th person, I feel that 9th person shouldn't be there, right? Or there's the 8th person, right? Please say what resonates. But there's an 8th person. Check how much, right? I feel like it's the 8th person. Okay, they are already in a relationship. They are already married. They are trying to sneak behind their partner's back. We got number 9 again. It's the 9th person. Spirit saying it's the 9th person. It's either the 9th or the 8th person. I'm not too clear. But someone here is already in a relationship, and they're trying to seek you out. Yeah, they're a hottie. Yeah, they look good, right? Everything they said is true, but they missed out the part when they said that they're in a marriage. That's for some of you. 7. Okay, very Neptunian, very vague. I feel like this person sees you as their wish fulfillment, or you're going to have many options. You're going to be like, I've been single for so long, right? And now I've got all these hotties that want me. Like, I must be that girl. I must be that guy. Yet you are, darling, right? And there's an energy of someone wanting to express to you. So this is basically saying that you're going to be in high demand. A lot of people, you're going to go for a glow up. You're going to go for a glow up. people are going to be treating you like you're some celebrity. Yeah, you got star quality anyway, but there's a level of confidence, a surge of okay, so what are they saying, Spirit? We're going off topic now. What are they saying? I've been a fool. I've wasted time. There's something about you getting a lot of attention and someone that was held back, right? There's two scenarios here. For some of you, you've been single, you put yourself out there on social media. Could be a picture, you could be on a dating app, and you're going to get a lot of attention. What do these people want to say? I want to date you. No, I want to date you. I want to date you. I'm better than you. No, I'm better than you. People are going to be fighting over you because you are the prize. They're like, wow. You counsel every other chick or man there on that dating app, whatever the case is. They've never come across anyone like you before. They're literally obsessed, right? For others of you, someone that held back, someone that thought, I don't need to be in a relationship. I love my independence. They're going to see you. You're not their usual type, but they're like, your beauty is undeniable. You are absolutely stunning. You are gorgeous. Like, wow. Someone's going to be contacting you. Someone is going to reach out. You could know this person already. What does this person want to say? I need to speak to you urgently because I saw that picture and I don't want anyone else to see that picture. So I'm going to phone you. So someone's going to give you like a sneaky text because they feel like you are their wish fulfillment. What do they want to say? You are my wish fulfillment. I was tripping before. I thought we were too different, but you're very different. So that makes me want you more. I feel like what we share is it's a chemistry that I've never experienced before. This could be the same person because look, we've got this Aries card. I'm more independent now. I'm breaking free. Actually, I'm standing on my own 2 feet. I want to come towards you. I'm passionate for you. I feel like you are my wish fulfillment. If I lose this opportunity right now, I know I'll never ever get to experience someone like you again. I feel like I've literally manifested you in. I literally feel like I was scared. I'm not gonna lie, I was scared because before it was like I always envisioned if I meet a girl or a guy like you, I want them to be like this. I want them to be like that. I did not expect the exact person that I was thinking about or that I've envisioned being with to be in my vicinity. But I'm gonna reach out to you. I'm not gonna hold back anymore. What am I actually scared about? You know, we've got this bond. I feel like we've got this bond. I feel connected to you. You see right through me. You know how I feel. I don't even have to say it, but you know how I feel about you. It's intense. I'm very attracted to you, very drawn to you, and I've tried to forget about you, but I can't, okay? Because I feel like this feeling is weird, not in a bad way. You're not weird, you're gorgeous, and I can literally stare at your face all day. I've never seen anyone that looks like you. You make me feel good. You make me feel alive. You've transformed me in some way. Some of you been intimate with this person. This is what this person wants to say. You transformed me. I was scared at first because I knew that, you know, once I step into that realm, then there's no going back. But I want to put in the work. See, we've got a 6th house here. I want to put in the work with you. I want to expand with you. I don't care about you being different. I find your difference to be extremely attractive. I like quirky partners. I like partners that are different. I don't like partners that look like me. That is a hidden secret. Not a lot of people know that about me. Yeah, I know. I've got a lot of people that do find me attractive. I act like I'm unbothered because I am, and I act like I don't see, but I do. It's because I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in you. You stand out. You counsel every single person. You think that because you look different, you think you know my type, right? You think you know my type. You think because I look different to you, you expect me to like a certain type. What you don't understand is everything that you are is what I like. Your originality, the way you do your hair, the way you wear your makeup, the way you don't wear makeup, the clothes that you wear. I find you to be exciting, unique, and original. I like original partners. Don't you understand that? Stop getting jealous over people that like me. I can't help if they like me. I don't like them. I like you. Okay, guys, we're going to wrap this up. You are the people of the signs mentioned in this reading could be Libra, Capricorn, Leo, Aquarius, Aries, Cancer, Sagittarius, Aquarius, Aries again. And we've got Pisces, we've got Cancer and Scorpio. We've also got Libra, Scorpio again, Sagittarius, Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. Speak to you soon, butterflies. Keep shining.